Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Harry Potter chess Lego set is probably one of the most enchanting and strategic builds for any fan of the wizarding world, blending the iconic game of chess with the magical charm of Hogwarts, offering a unique collectible that doubles as a playable masterpiece, perfect for both display and engaging gameplay that will transport you straight into the heart of a wizarding duel. Number 5. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Assemble your own legendary Infinity Gauntlet with this incredible LEGO set. It features a detailed recreation of the iconic glove, complete with the vibrant Infinity Stones. Capture the captivating style of the Avengers movies with this stunning golden glove. Its sturdy stand and descriptive tablet make it a perfect display piece for any fan. This impressive homage to Marvel's Thanos features a gauntlet with movable fingers. Its vibrant colors and timeless design ensure it will be a conversation starter. Elevate your space with this iconic building set for adults. It's designed to be a centerpiece, sure to attract admiring comments in any office or home. Looking for an unforgettable gift? This LEGO Marvel collectible is ideal for any adult or teen fan of the Avengers. It's also a fantastic treat for any model-making enthusiast. What we like. This set offers a stunning recreation of a legendary artifact. Its movable fingers add an interactive element, making it a dynamic display piece. If you are a fan of the Marvel Cinematic Universe and want a striking centerpiece for your collection, this is the one for you. What people say. Great design with a shiny look. The fingers can move, which is pretty cool. With its shimmering gold bricks and an array of vibrant Infinity Stones, this set is the epitome of eye-catching beauty. The instructions were really simple to understand as the blocks were color-coordinated to match what I was constructing and not black and white. The golden pieces shine beautifully, and the display stand gives it a real, collector's item vibe as the brightness reflects off any light. Number 4. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle 71043. Step into the wizarding world with this incredible Hogwarts castle building set. It's a detailed microscale replica of the iconic school, complete with Hagrid's hut and the Whomping Willow. Explore the Great Hall, featuring stunning stained glass windows, house banners, and dynamic moving staircases. Every detail is designed to bring the magic of Hogwarts to life. Discover Hagrid's cozy hut, complete with pumpkins and the menacing Aragog the spider. This set is perfect for any true Potter enthusiast. Unleash your imagination with a collection of magical accessories. You'll find wands, potions, house banners, and even the sword of Gryffindor and Helga Hufflepuff's cup. Relive thrilling adventures with the Whomping Willow, which includes the iconic flying Ford Anglia car. Recreate your favorite scenes from the wizarding world. This impressive model is a fantastic collectible for adults and teens alike. It's more than just a toy, it's a piece of wizarding world history. What we like. This offers an expansive and detailed microscale model of the beloved school. It includes iconic locations and even the Whomping Willow with the flying car. If you're looking for a comprehensive Hogwarts representation that captures the magic of the wizarding world in a displayable format, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. Durable, huge in size, quality that comes from LEGO, and I think it was a great value. The completed build actually splits in half to better move it. This thing looks unmistakably like Hogwarts Castle to anyone that looks at it, very accurate. Number 3. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Chamber of Secrets 76389. Step into the enchanting world of Hogwarts with this incredible LEGO set. It brings to life two iconic locations, the Great Hall and the Chamber of Secrets. Explore the mysterious Chamber of Secrets, complete with its famous circular entrance and a hidden corridor. Watch as the giant statue opens its mouth to reveal the way. Face the fearsome basilisk. This posable snake figure features opening jaws and a segmented body, ready for exciting adventures. Bring your favorite characters to life with an amazing cast of minifigures. You'll find Harry Potter, Ginny Weasley, and many more, including exclusive anniversary figures. Celebrate 20 years of magic with an exclusive Golden Voldemort minifigure. It's a special edition for any collector. This set is part of a larger collection of modular Hogwarts models. You can build, combine, and rearrange them to create your very own unique castle. What we like. This set brings to life a pivotal and mysterious location from the Harry Potter series. It features an exclusive anniversary minifigure and can be combined with other modular sets for a personalized Hogwarts. If you're a collector who loves recreating iconic movie scenes and enjoys the modular building experience, this is a must-have. What people say. The details and design were sweet and brought my kid joy. The attention to detail is great. The secret passageways, the different floor levels and of course all the included mini-figures to represent the characters from the book movie. Set comes with 10 mini-figures for play or display. Workable door which is cool. Number 2. LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing the LEGO Adidas Original Superstar 10282. It's a fun and realistic tribute to the original iconic sneaker, perfect for display. This model is packed with authentic details, including the famous shell toe and the signature serrated stripes. You'll even find the Adidas logo on the tongue. It comes with real shoelaces and is presented in authentic shoebox style packaging. It truly captures the essence of the original design. Looking for a unique gift for an Adidas fan or a special project? This building kit is ideal for streetwear collectors and adult LEGO builders alike. Once built, this impressive model measures over 4.5 inches high, 10.5 inches long, and 3.5 inches wide. It's a fantastic display piece for any fan. What we like. This is a unique build for sneaker enthusiasts and LEGO fans alike. It meticulously recreates the classic Adidas Superstar with all its signature details. If you appreciate streetwear culture and are looking for a distinctive display piece that blends fashion and building, this set is perfect. What people say. First, model comes in a real shoe box and wrapped in paper mache like the real thing. You have the option of building a right or left shoe, plus there is a red LEGO brick on sole, a play on stepping on LEGO and hurting foot. It makes a great display when assembled and set up with the actual Adidas box. A really neat decoration for my teenager's room. Number 1. The Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook. Ever dreamed of tasting the magic of Harry Potter? This cookbook brings the enchanting flavors of the wizarding world right into your kitchen. Discover over 150 delightful recipes, from the iconic cauldron cakes to the refreshing Knickerbocker glory. There's a magical treat for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned witch or a muggle baker, these recipes are designed for all skill levels. Unleash your inner chef and create wizarding wonders. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be whipping up magical feasts in no time, impressing friends and family alike. Looking for a unique gift for the Harry Potter fan in your life? This unofficial cookbook is a magical present that will be cherished and used again and again. Bring the wonder of the Harry Potter universe to your table. Get your copy today and start your culinary adventure into magic. What we like. This cookbook offers a delightful journey into the culinary world of Harry Potter. With over 150 recipes, it caters to both seasoned bakers and beginners. If you love the wizarding world and enjoy cooking or baking, this book is a fantastic way to bring a touch of magic to your kitchen. What people say. I liked the introductions for each recipe that tie each one to the book, explaining when it was mentioned, what was happening, and citing the book and chapter where it can be found. Also appreciated the little notes in the margins that explain more about the food's history in either HP lore or English tradition. It also has fully detailed descriptions of said recipes, and even some historical information that made me, both a Potterphile and an Anglophile, extremely happy. The recipes might not be the best out there, however, the descriptions about the history of the dish, both actual history as well as the history in Pottermore, is amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.